Hello everybody, I'm Kate. Welcome to my series, Kate's Kitchen, where I'll be cooking up some simple and delicious dishes that are great for sharing with your friends and family. And today I'm going to be starting with Nutella cheesecake. Okay, so I've got my food processor here, and I've got some lovely hobnobs here, and I'm just going to break these up and pop them into the food processor first. So if you haven't got a food processor, then not to worry, you can just get a bag, put all your biscuits in, and then get a rolling pin and just bash them, which for me is a great stress reliever. And also, if you don't have hobnobs, not to worry, you can just use digestives, you can use Oreos if you want to be extra decadent, or you can use graham crackers, which I know a lot of people use in cheesecakes in America. Right, so there we go. To this, I am going to add some melted butter, which I've got here. And then, as it's Nutella cheesecake, just a tablespoon of Nutella. I'm just going to grab the lid of my food processor, pop it on, and then blitz it up. Okay, so once it started to clump and get that kind of sandy texture about it, I'm just going to pop in about 3 tablespoons of chopped roasted hazelnuts, just to give it a nice nutty flavour. And all you need to do is just pulse them in until they're nicely mixed in. Cool, yeah, that looks perfect. So I'm just going to take my mixture and pop it into a 9-inch tray we've got here. So for the full method and all the list of ingredients, just check out the description box down below and it will all be there for you. So just using the back of a wooden spoon, or as I like to do it with the back of your hand, just press it into the tin. So once you've done that, just pop it into the fridge to chill down, and whilst that's happening, you can get on with making your mixture. Next up is to do the topping. So I've got 500 grams of cream cheese here, and I'm just going to pop this into a bowl. You can do this in a food processor again if you want to, but I'm just going to do a bit of manual labour, I think. And then some icing sugar is going to go in as well. Then I'm just going to grab a wooden spoon and give it a good mix. So this is one of the easiest recipes that I know and do, but it's a real crowd pleaser. It's really tasty, and you'll be surprised that actually something this tasty can be that easy to make. I feel like I'm cheating. Then to this mixture, we're going to add the rest of this jar of Nutella. So this is about 400 grams worth that's going in here now. I think we're almost there. So now all the Nutella is into the mixture, I'm going to give it a good stir and make a lovely chocolatey mixture. So now this is all mixed in and made this gorgeous chocolatey mixture, I'm going to go back to the fridge and get out my base. Which is nice and set now, and pour it on top. And then just get your spatula and smooth it out and we're good to go. Try and be as even as you can. So once you've done that, first things first, you can lick the spoon, which I'm going to definitely do in a bit. And then I'm going to get some more toasted hazelnuts. This is about 3 tablespoons worth, and just pour them on top, like to scatter them evenly. Just a bit of decoration and a bit more flavour as well. Okay, so I'm going to pop this into the fridge to chill, and while it's chilling, why don't you click the subscribe button for loads more tasty recipes like this. So I've got my Nutella cheesecake out of the fridge and I've taken it out of its tin. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to put some extra raspberries on the top, just for some added decoration, but you don't have to do this, you can just leave it like that if you want to. Pop these in the middle, I think. So that's Nutella cheesecake done. It's pretty much the most foolproof recipe you can get. It's so simple and easy to make, and after all, it is a big jar of Nutella that's gone into there, so you can't really go wrong with that. Let us know if you try out the Nutella cheesecake. Pop a comment in the section below, or tweet us a photo at VideoJugFood. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully see you next time on Kate's Kitchen.